Mayan volcano is crumbling. Before our eyes, this is happening. As I mentioned, the Mayan volcano has a felsic dome. Felsic is a silica-rich material, is crumbly, it's very sticky, and under the pressure and in the heat, it just crumbles. It doesn't flow easily. So this material, which has a silica, silicium dioxide, practically comes down as big and small chunks of rocks, is because on the top of the volcano, this volcanic dome is sitting like a plug. It doesn't let the volcano erupt. And when the gases cannot come up, the pressure builds up under it. And it creates this kind of eruptions. And in the night, we see the glowing material from this crumbling volcanic dome flowing down. This is in the Luzon Island of the Philippines. In the western part of the Ring of Fire, during the daylight, you can see the eruption, mostly water steam. And in the night, you see the glow on the volcanic dome, like a piece of cake sitting there, or like a piece of feces. It cannot go, it's like a constipation. Practically, the volcano has a constipation. People are asked to move out of the reach of the volcano. Animals and cattle are also removed because this volcano may explode. This is what will happen when you open a fizzy drink.